Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to install Laravel framework in Ubuntu. So let's get started. These are the three things we need to install before installing Laravel. So make sure you get it. If you don't know how to install this, I have made videos on this, separate videos. So I'll give a link in the description below so you can watch them. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to this URL. This also I will share it in the description below. Okay, so if you open this, it will be like this. Okay, it will take you the installation page. Then you need to select this getting started on Linux, or you can scroll it. So as it is stating, you can see if you are developing on Linux and Docker Compose is already installed, you can use a simple terminal command to create a new Laravel project. Okay, so we'll do that. Just copy this one. Okay, open the terminal. Okay, let's create the project on the desktop itself. So let's cd to desktop. Okay, let's paste the command with Ctrl+Shift+V. And here we need to change something. Okay, instead of example app, we need to give our project name. Okay, so make sure you do not give any spaces. So let's type something. Let's create a project, blog, or let's say to-do list. To-do list is a nice project. If you want to learn any new framework, you can start with the to-do list application or project. So let's create that, press enter, and it will download all the required things. So meanwhile it does that, make sure you have stable internet connection, and it will download lot of things. So let's understand what all things it downloads. So if we just open it, first it will download Laravel/Laravel project at our project directory. As you can see, this directory has been created. Okay, and it downloads many components. These are the components the framework uses to make our life easier. Now let's go down. Okay, it will ask for your password. Just enter the password and press enter. As you can see, the project has been created. We can cd to it, and this is the command to start the development server. So you can just close this and double click on this project folder, right click, open in terminal. Now we will use VSCode to open this project. So if you do not have VSCode installed, you can install it. I'll share the link how to install if you don't know. So press code space dot. It will open VSCode. As you can see, it will ask this. You can just trust the author because we are only the authors. Let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, so this is the default structure of a Laravel application. Okay, you can open the terminal. Let's run our project to a hello world state. Then we will analyze, or we will see what these are. Okay, so right now you do not have to worry about all these folders and files. Simply type this /vendor, that is this directory. Inside this bin cell. Okay, and we'll say up -t. So this is the command to up our to launch our development server, and -t is for detach, I guess. So if you provide -t or -t, even you can work on your project, or you can see the output when you close this terminal. Let me show you. First we'll go without up. Now let's wait till it finishes. Okay, so this will be continuously on. Okay, so let's minimize that. Okay, and open a new tab, type localhost, press enter. As you can see, this is the hello world state of the Laravel application. Whenever you install a new Laravel application or create a fresh Laravel project, this is the page you will get as of Laravel 9.43. So now let's try to terminate that command that we have run in VSCode using Ctrl+C. So as you can see, it is stopping everything. Okay, now if we go to our Chrome page and refresh that, you can see our site is not accessible. Now let's see what happens if you provide the -t option. So just open your VSCode, do the same command and provide -t. As you can see, the command has been executed successfully, and we can simply close that. And if we go to our page, this will be accessible. Okay, and behind the scene it is using Docker to serve that and Docker Compose. So to confirm that, let me show you. You go to extensions and download Docker extension, install that. Once you install Docker extension, make sure it is from Microsoft, the official tick you can see here, and you will see this icon. We click on that and just minimize everything except the containers. So this is our project to-do list, and these are the images running inside Docker. Okay, so if I stop this, compose down, as you can see, it is executing Docker Compose and it is stopping our servers, development servers. Now if we try to refresh that, we cannot access our website. So that is why we need Docker and Docker Compose installed before creating a new Laravel project. So let's start our project again. Press Ctrl+tilde, so it will open a terminal, and let's run the same command, vendor bin shell. So instead of typing this whole big command, you can make an aliases for your shell. Okay, I will show you my shell. Okay, let me just cd to the root home directory. Now I'm in the home directory. I have created a file called as aliases. So I'll show you cat aliases, and I have created these many aliases. These are the system aliases I use. So instead of typing clear, I just type C and it clears the terminal. And these are Laravel specific. I have created shell for the same thing, vendor bin shell, and SA for shell artisan. This you will see in the next upcoming videos. So like this you can set up the aliases. So this is just a normal file. Okay, it is starting with a dot, that means it is a hidden file. Okay, and to make sure to make these commands available in our terminal, we need to do something. So if I show you cat, there is a, I am using zsh. So there is a zsh rc file. If you are on a default Ubuntu machine, there will be bash rc file. Okay, whichever shell you are using, just go to your rc file. Okay, and at the end of the rc file, you just have to write this source. Okay, this // means you are in the home directory, and this is the file name that we have created. And okay, and you can save this and exit the terminal, and from next time whenever you are opening a terminal, you can use these commands. For example, C is for clear. Okay, Now I'll exit this terminal because I'm in the home directory and I need to be in the project directory to run the shell command. So I'll just press Ctrl D, it will exit. Again Ctrl tilde. Now shell up -t without writing /vendor/bin. So as you can see, it's the same command. Now if we go to Docker, again our container is up. Now refresh. Okay, before concluding our video, let's try to change something. Okay, and in the next video we will see what all these directories are for and what all these files, and we'll continue developing our to-do list project. So let me just exit this terminal. Okay, you go to web. Okay, so right now you need not have to worry about all these files. Okay, we are only changing something in a file so that we can let's change this text sponsor. Let's see where it is showing sponsor. It's here. So let's change it to something else. Sponsored. Let's see our sponsor us to help development of Laravel. Let's save that. Now if we refresh that, as you can see, this is updated. Now in the next video we will see what all files are available in the default structure of the Laravel and what each file means. Okay, and then slowly we'll move to we'll create a task list, okay, for our project, and we'll finish our tasks one by one by developing feature by feature. So that's it, I think, for the Laravel installation video. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helps you, do like, share, comment and subscribe. So see you guys in the next video.